guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then this is Rimi. So the other day, my sister purchased a purple eyeliner and she was wearing it and I was like staring at her eyes and I was like, okay, that looks really cool. I have to do a look for you guys using that purple eyeliner. So this is the star of the show today, NYX Vivid Brights in color Vivid Violet. The applicator though, I'm not really a big fan of this kind of applicators. I like the felt tip pen, that kind of liquid eyeliner. My sister said that it was pretty easy for her to put on, but not the case for me. I did have a little bit difficult time with this applicator. It dries out completely matte. I think it's pretty close to the packaging color. The packaging looks a little bit more vibrant and brighter. I also tried a couple new things today. I tried this new bronzer. I am not sure if it's new at the store or not. I went with this new blush palette. This is a very affordable blush palette. I think it was about $3.50 or $3.49 or something like that. How is that possible for 8 blush? That's amazing price. The blush I used today is this baked purple blush today. This worked perfectly as a highlighter. It gave me this beautiful glow. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay, so since I am going pretty light on my eye makeup today, I already did my foundation. I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and I'm picking up this color Burnt Orange and I'm just applying this color all over my eyelid. I'm going pretty messy with this color. I don't need this color to be too precise. I'm just going to blow out this color and lots of blending. Now I'm taking the color Rustic from the palette and I'm just going to deepen the lower lid with this color, and I'm again going pretty messy with this color and I'm just blowing it out, just blending. Next I'm taking the color Tempera from the palette and I'm applying this color in the center of my lid just to give it a brightened look. Now it's time for the star of the show. I'm taking this NYX Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner in color Vivid Violet. And I'm just going to create a winged eyeliner with this liquid liner. This is a beautiful violet color. I'm in love with this color. And I'm just going to create a thick winged eyeliner with this look because this is basically the main thing I'm applying on my eyes. I want the eyeliner to stand out. For my mascara, I'm going in with my Essence Lash Princess Mascara and I'm applying few coats of this mascara on my top and bottom lashes. To highlight my brow bones and inner corners, I am picking up the color Tempera again and I'm applying it under my brows and just in the inner corners as well. Then I'm taking NYX Matte Bronzer in color Dark Tan and I'm just going to use the bronzer to warm up my face. I'm not really contouring my face this time. I just wanted to warm up the face and keep the rest of the makeup minimal and let the eyeliner shine. For my blush, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette and I'm taking this baked purple eyeshadow from the palette, very glowy, and I'm applying this color on the apples of my cheek. This color have a beautiful glow, so it's also going to double as highlight, so I'm going to skip the highlighting step and just let this blush do its magic. For my lips, I'm taking my favorite lip liner at the moment by Morphe, Backseat Love, and I'm just lining my lips with this lip liner, and as usual, I will be also filling in my lips with this lip liner. For my lipstick, I'm keeping it in the NYX family, and I'm taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in color Stockholm. So here's the finished look. I keep looking at my screen because this purple eyeliner looks so gorgeous. I love this so much. From high school to all the way up to college, there was a time when I was into colored eyeliners a lot. I used to love my navy eyeliner, purple, and I think there was a teal one as well. I used to buy a lot of colored eyeliners and experiment with them. Started using black liquid eyeliner and I kind of like that became my staple on day-to-day basis. But after trying this purple eyeliner, I think I need to start exploring colored eyeliners again. I need to get out there and purchase a couple more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will leave all the product details along with my social media links below. If you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys. Also, let me know if you have tried any of these Vivid Brights eyeliners from NYX. What's your favorite colors? So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!